Hey, this is Ken Posick with Keller Williams, and welcome to our newest listing here in College Park. This property is 1253 Mercedes Drive, and it's just a short drive down to Lake Adair. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a little over 2,500 square feet. Let's go take a look inside. One of the things I know that you'll love about this house is the upgrades throughout. You've got an updated kitchen, completely remodeled. You've got a newer master bath that's been completely remodeled, as well as some of the built-ins here. It really takes that 1993 house and makes it feel like it's completely today. One of the other things I know you'll love is the layout. You've got sort of this sectioned off place where you've got the living and the family room, which is perfect for a growing family. So you can have the kids up front, and if you want, you can have drinks in the kitchen. So now that you've checked out the kitchen and the family room, we've got a half bath right here that services the main level, and then everything else is upstairs. So why don't we go take a look at the bedrooms and all the full baths? Come on. So how about that backyard, right? It's massive. It's something you don't see a lot in this price point or in this area. You can have a pool, you could do a kid's playground. There's just a ton of cool stuff. So listen, if you like this house and you want to take a look, make sure you reach out. My cell phone number is 407-717-0197, or shoot me an email at ken@posickgroup.com and I'll set up that private showing. We'll see you soon.